How to install a large SecureView door to a reinforced timber frame. In the previous video, we showed you how we reinforce this door timber jamb with trim angles. Now we'll show you how to measure and install this rather large hinge security door. The first step is to install the stick-on pile. Clean the door jamb with an evaporative or alcohol-based cleaning solution to ensure a good bond. Remove the tape and carefully place the stick-on pile on the rebate and cut the excess. Do the sides first, then the top. This door was previously measured, having the following manufacturing sizes: top width 1194 mm, middle 1193 mm, bottom 1191 mm. The drop opening size is 2349 mm. We deducted 14 mm for a manufactured size of 2335 mm. This door handle is one of those long ones. We can put the security door either above or below the door handle. In this case, the client wanted it below. Lock height measurement is LBB 800 mm. Install the door, placing it in position, using your foot to align the hinges with the jamb. Pre-drill the hinge holes, as we're installing this door on a reinforced jamb, and fix off the hinges with 25 mm countersunk screws. Fix through the hinge middle holes first. Close the door and check for squareness. Do not fix all hinge screws before you've checked and adjusted the door alignment. If the door needs adjustment, untighten the middle screw and lift the door up or down to find that perfect fit. Install the lock by installing the cylinder first and fix with the screw provided. Place and screw the lock faceplates. Close and check for door alignment if the security door needs further alignment with the jamb. If the lock gap is too large, you can readjust by unscrewing the hinges and adding hinge packers under the hinges. After getting the best alignment, fix all hinges. Install the triple lock, marking the lock tongue positions. Install the strikers between the markings. Screw the strikers and drill holes inside the striker plate. Use a chisel to make the tongue hole and finish with a router tool to clean out the tongue hole. Close the door and test the lock multiple times. Measure the bug strip from the door jambs. Measurement is 1180 mm. Deduct 1 mm for the cut size and fix internally. Install the door closer and finish the installation. Want to become a Starline Security Dealer? Contact us for more information.